Oh, it's an egg. Pretty neat, no? How to eat a golden egg. Now, I'm sure that you have a ton of questions surrounding this egg, but the most important question that you're probably wanting to know is, what kind of animal has produced this? Well, I am no zoologist, but based on its shape, its size, and its weight, as well as its colour, I would say it is unlikely to have been produced by a squirrel or a hedgehog. Possibly by a badger, because they're slightly larger, but because of its colour, that's kind of throwing me off a bit. If I were a betting man, which of course I'm not, because I don't want this video to get demonetized, I would say that this egg was probably produced by an armadillo, primarily due to its strong and sturdy shape. It's very strong. Now, of course, I don't actually know what is inside of here, but I will be breaking into this somehow to find out exactly what is inside, and maybe it's some sort of mysterious creature, or there'll be some strange alien substances, but we'll find out and see. I just hope that this egg was not produced by a human, because then if I eat it, that would be cannibalism. I don't really want to be a part of that group. Nothing against cannibals, of course, it's just not my cup of tea. Okay, let's get this thing open now to see what is inside. I just need to find a way to open this golden outer casing. Just see if there's anything that could help me do that. Oh, there's a bit of an opening here. Maybe this will help me get it open. I just hope that there's no live animal inside of here, because then that would make it harder to eat from an ethical point of view. Okay. It's quite a soft outer shell, which is good. Excellent, we've managed to open this outer casing. We can discard that now. What on earth is this? It's another layer to the egg. There must be something truly special inside of here to have so many layers to it. But we'll see what's inside. We need to find an opening. Let's try and crack a hole through here. Maybe there's like an animal inside of this. Very solid. It's going to take a while to get through this. Ow, it's hurting me. I poked a hole through, at last, at long last. Let's see if there's anything inside. I can't see anything. Can you see anything? I can't see anything. It's quite dark in there. We're gonna have to go further in. Just gonna peel back some more layers. This is one of the strongest eggs I've ever come across. Very hard to peel this. Wait a minute. There's nothing inside. I've been scammed. This isn't an animal egg at all. What is this sorcery? Who would trick someone like this? It's just an eggshell. Well, let me at least see if the eggshell is edible at least. Hopefully we can redeem this video somehow. It's not edible at all. Whoever tricked me into buying this egg is probably laughing their head off right now. At least someone can smile about it. So that completes the tutorial on how to eat a golden egg. Well, I probably should try to eat the inner eggshell, just in case that's miraculously edible. You never know. Just give that a go. Just take a piece off. It's easy to break now. So. Mmm. That's really good. I don't believe it. There was nothing inside the egg, but the eggshell itself is edible. Who would have thought it? It's very difficult to describe what this tastes like. Have you ever had chicken wings? It kind of tastes a little like that, but a bit sweeter. Mmm. Meaty. It is an acquired taste, but I do like it. Well, I am a little disappointed that there was nothing inside of the eggshell at all, but at least the eggshell makes up for it to some extent. So, I'm going to eat some more, you know, why not? This is, after all, a how to eat video, so you just put it in your mouth. Pretty straightforward, really. Yeah, probably should have mentioned that to begin with. That's how you do it, really. Just do this. Just like that. You can taste it if you like, you don't have to. And then just make sure you swallow it afterwards. And that's basically eating. That's how you eat one of these things. Now I'm going to go now and continue eating this so that you can learn from me and you'll be able to see how to eat it yourself just by copying what I do. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. So just do this. This is what you need to do. Mmm. That's quite good. That's quite good. That's good eggshell.